Hello friends, today we will discuss about the deterministic model 1A for the inventory control. Now you can check the video on classifications of inventory control in our channel. Now what the model 1A says, here the model is particularly where the demand rate is uniform and production rate is infinite. Once again, the demand rate is uniform but the production rate is infinite. Obviously that is deterministic type elementary model, and the EOQ model is always without the shortage. Now in that model 1A particularly, where the demand rate is uniform but the production rate is infinite, the economic lot size system with uniform demand. The demand is uniform at a rate of, that is capital R quantity. You may check the video on variables where already I have described about the terms on the different inventory control system. Here the lead time is 0. The production rate is infinite, already has been said, that is the production is instantaneous. The shortages are not allowed. The holding cost is rupees C1 per quantity unit per unit time. That means the holding cost is based on the per quantity and per unit time, and the setup cost is rupees C3 per setup. So what is the formula here? Here the optimum Q star, that is particularly our EOQ, is equal to square root of 2 into setup cost into demand rate upon the carrying cost. That means EOQ is equal to square root of 2 into C3R upon C1, and the optimum inventory cost, that is C minimum, is equal to the square root of 2 into holding cost into setup cost into the demand rate, and the optimum ordering interval, that is denoted by T star, is equal to the square root of 2 into setup cost upon the demand rate into holding cost. That means the T star is equal to square root of 2C3 into upon R into C1, and the optimum number of orders, that is denoted by capital N, is equal to the total annual quantity requirement upon the economic ordering quantity. That means capital N, that means the optimum number of orders, is equal to R upon Q star, and the number of days supply, that is denoted by small d, is equal to 365 upon optimum number of orders. That means D is equal to small d is equal to the number of days supply is equal to 365 upon N. Let's check the model with an example. The ABC industry, that is the name of the industry, needs 5,400 units per year. Once again, the ABC industry needs 5,400 units per year of any raw material which will be used in its main product. The ordering cost is rupees 250 per order and the carrying cost is rupees 30 per unit per year. Find the economic order quantity, that means the EOQ, the number of orders per year and the time between the successive orders. At first, we have to check really the problem statement falls into the category of model 1A, that means the deterministic type model 1A or not, which is saying in the model 1A the demand rate is uniform and the production rate is infinite. Here we can check the ABC industry needs 5400 units per year of any raw material. That means here the demand is always from the ABC industry is uniform. So the demand rate is uniform and never has been said the production has some boundation. So the production is infinite here. So we may solve the problem using model 1A style. Let's solve the problem. Here capital R, that is our demand, is particularly 5400 units per year. Once again we may check, that is needs 5400 units per year. Then C3, that has been given rupees 250 per order. Let's check the problem once again. The ordering cost is rupees 250 per order and the carrying cost has been given rupees 30 per unit per year. That's okay. C1 is equal to rupees 30 per unit per year. So what is the first problem? We have to find out the economic order quantity, that means the EOQ. Now what is the formula of the EOQ? Just check the formula here, that is EOQ is equal to square root of 2 into C3R upon C1. So we may use that formula here. So EOQ is equal to square root of 2 into C3 into R upon C1, or is equal to square root of 2 into 250 into 5400 upon 30, or the EOQ is 300 units. So that is the first problem. Solution. So next, second, the number of orders per year. That means we have to find out the number of orders per year. That means we have to find out the optimum number of orders, and that one is equal to capital N. Let's check what is the formula of capital N. The optimum number of orders, that is R upon Q star. So here N is equal to R upon Q star. Already R is equal to 5400 and Q star is equal to 300. So number of order per year, or the optimum number of orders, is equal to 18. Let's check the third question. Here the question is the time between the successive orders. That means the time between the successive orders, that means the optimum ordering interval, and that is T star. That one is equal to square root of 2 into C3 upon R into C1, or that one is equal to square root of 2 into 250 upon 5400 into 30, or 0.0556 year. So we may transform the unit year into days. 1 year containing 365 days. So that one is equal to 0.0556 into 365 days, or 20 into 294, 20.294 days, and that is nearly equal to 20 days. In that way we can find out the problem solution for the model 1A of the deterministic type. That means where we have the demand rate is uniform and the production rate is infinite.